G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and in this video I'd like to have a little chat about whole house pressure gauges, what they are for and how to use them. The question of pressure gauges comes up when one of our customers is starting to think about filtering all the water in their home. A good whole house water filter will come with at least a couple of pressure gauges. So what is a whole house pressure gauge and how do we use them? A whole house pressure gauge is a pressure gauge measuring the water pressure after the water flows through each cartridge. It helps us monitor whether the whole house water filter cartridges are performing as they should or if there is something wrong. On our whole house systems, the pressure gauge is mounted so that it is reading the pressure after the cartridge it is monitoring. That means if you have low pressure, it means there is a blockage in the housing just before the pressure gauge, and that needs to be looked into. Your cartridge may be blocked up with sediment or it's too old and is causing a problem. Same thing is true if a pressure gauge is reading a high pressure. The actual water pressure at your home will be unique to your area, so I can't give you a specific pressure for that. The water coming into your home could be at the bottom of a hill or at the top of a hill, or you're close to the pumping station, and each of these things makes a difference to the water pressure coming into your home. The important thing is to know if you have a drop in pressure from one cartridge housing to another. A small drop is okay because each cartridge will take some pressure off, but if you have a significant drop, that is when you should take some action. If you do have a significant pressure drop, then turn off the water to your whole house water filter and bypass the water filter if your whole house has been set up that way. Every good plumber should install a bypass on installation. Once there is no pressure on the water filter, unscrew the cartridge housing at the pressure gauge that has the lower pressure and check that cartridge for blockages or damage. Replace it with a new cartridge and check again. 95% of the time that'll solve your problem. But if you're still having issues with your pressure gauge, give us a call. Pressure gauges are a necessary tool and measuring device to ensure you can monitor your whole house water filter just by looking at it. So if you notice any pressure drop in your house or you are out walking by your water filter, you can quickly check to ensure your whole house water filter is running at its optimal. I hope that helps. Thank you.